guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a brother takeover, and I'll be building a Boba Fett.
Boba Fett Star Wars
Yeah.
set.
Okay.
That's actually how you're supposed to open it.
Yeah, with the punch hole, yeah.
And opening it in like a lunchbox.
This is the smallest pair of instructions I ever saw. Put that aside. I'm sitting in a room straight today. Hey, I haven't even opened the bag, so I'm really listening.
You having trouble building Boba Fett?
No. Oh, his jetpack. I forgot.
Did you forget to say
Like, subscribe, hit that notification button down below, and
leave a comment to let us know that you're here.
finally got off the flip and hit the flip.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, anything else I want to put up? Before I put all this stuff. It's open.
Boba Fett.
Pew, 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 pew. We're gonna do another 3-in-1 set building review after we're done with this. you go. If you're interested, there will be a link down below so you can buy this set for yourself.
Yo, how's your progress?
1 second later. Dang, you already done with the mat? It's okay if I don't want that possible and make the whopper my way, whopper my way.
Oh. Oh. It jetpack is lost.
We already have the set, we just didn't do a video on it.
Yeah, because there's
No.
something wrong with the recording.
Yeah.
So that's why you see it up on the wall.
Yeah, that's exactly why you see up.
You want a bit big?
This is our progress right now. If you're wondering what that noise is, that is just my baby brother and my baby sister playing with Play-Doh.
Yeah. What? Do you need help? I have a feeling that you're lying.
This thing is a complicated building technique.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make that into a mech when I get enough mech parts.
Oh, really, Scallywag?
Scallywag!
Boy. Yeah, that's a good spider mech that he made last night.
Spider web mech. It's almost made out of completely spider webs. Yo, bro, do you know where that clear piece is? That clear stick piece?
Oh yeah, she put it inside one of our Lego containers.
Which one?
One of our small, Lego containers.
That doesn't look...
No, those. It's not one of those.
Huh?
The red one. Red container.
Yeah.
She put it in one of those.
Hmm?
Red container with blue top.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah, I think you are tripping. How did I not see that, bro? Look.
I don't know. Of course it's not the one that I pulled the first try.
Can you give me a tissue? I need to blow this knot. I don't want to be that. I don't want to be hecka loud and have like the viewers be like disgusted. So you could do some of someone here. Back. You got something wrong? I'm back. What?
Oh God. No.
I saved you guys. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Bro, your computer turned off. Official Lego Ninjago. Lego Ninjago. They're coming out with new Lego sets. Look at that. What the?
Hey guys.
Go below your nose. This was a weird ability technique. Very weird. Wait. Doing to the Play-Doh. That is just my dog. Oh my god. Everything is just going wrong with this piece. What is wrong with you? We're done. Okay. Boba Fett is in there chilling. and they can turn into a hovercraft. Pretty good Lego set. Bye. Have a great time.